Welcome to Instant Cooking. Today I am making very different dish that is called guava masala. So let's have the ingredient. 200 grams guava, half teaspoon of mustard seed, green chili, onion finely chopped, tomato chopped, turmeric powder, garlic, curry leaf, red chili powder, salt, garam masala powder, black pepper powder, coriander seed powder, and peeled and chopped guava. So take a frying pan, add 1 teaspoon of oil, add half a teaspoon of mustard seed, let them crackle. Now add curry leaf, 5 to 7 curry leaves, mix it and add 2 chopped green chili or as per your taste. Now add 1 chopped onion, medium size onion, and cook till onion is transparent. Now add 2 to 3 cloves of garlic chopped, and now add tomatoes. Add a pinch of salt and cook till tomato is soft. Now add half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, half a teaspoon of red chili powder, half a teaspoon of garam masala, half a teaspoon of coriander seed powder, and cook for another half minute. And now add our 200 grams peeled and chopped guava, mix it, add another pinch of salt and a pinch of black pepper powder. Mix it and cook it for 2 to 3 minutes. Now add 4 to 5 teaspoons of water. Mix it, cover it and leave it for 2 to 3 minutes. And after 2 to 3 minutes, your guava masala, very different, very tasty, is ready. So try guava masala. Thank you.